Bless up people. I'm going to take 3 minutes and show you how them take with the idiot. We the people them where them say mad. The people them who can think critical. I'm going to show you how them take with the idiot. Tanya Stephens came forward and shared her experience. The people them say, call name. She said she not call no name. Them say call name. Because we want to know who so we can stop support the person. Call name because you can stop other women from getting raped. She said no, she not call her name because it not going to change nothing. We just want to know who so we can guess, so we can gossip. The media, I call her, I link her, for she talk who. Radio station, she say, I link her, for talk who, so they can stop play the person's music. She said no, she not call no name. So them say, alright, we done with you. Go and go sit down, Tanya Stephens. We don't know nothing with you, go sit down. Watch the contrast. Her name came forward. One of the biggest star in a dancehall. Name come forward with evidence. Crickets from them. I not thought the two little vloggers them where I put it up. We're sorry for saying no little vloggers, but you don't understand. I not thought the vloggers them where I run with some little something. Crickets. Remember, I said them tell Tanya to call name, you know. Because they want done with the person and Tanya can save Jamaica from rapists and pedophiles. But one of the biggest stars in a dancehall come forward, name come forward, with all evidence. Crickets. Them all are justified and I say, maybe them are the girlfriend and boyfriend. Them all are justified and I say, oh, a regular thing that. My mother was the same age. Oh, me was the same age. Oh, go sit down. Where come with this for now? Remember say, you know, Tanya thing happened about 31 years ago and she was 17, you know. And them say, call him, dirty drunk, call him, I could done with him. Something more current came to the forefront. Crickets. As I said, Tanya did right. Una never want a name. Una did just want some mix up and some gossip. Una play on yourself and just show up on yourself. But the real people them know. I wanna think say Una win. We will never get rid of pedophiles and rapists out of our culture.